Good morning. I am now going to spend a little time in my bedroom because I let it slip. So, yeah, I'm human. So we're going to make the bed. We changed the sheets the other day, so it's no big deal. And I'm gonna open the drapes now and start working. Drapes, get some light on the subject. And now I'm going to make the bed first. This is husband's side, so I leave that alone. I may dust around, but I leave it alone. And we get up, we let the bed air out while we go down and have our coffee and tea, and sometimes breakfast, and then we'll come back up and make the bed, because it's really good to let it air out. This is Hedge. He's our pet, and we love Elfie because he's just funnier than heck. So now we're going to deal with things that I have let sit here too long. I do, can you see it? So I've got short and long. It makes it easy to pull it out and put it on so I know which is the short side and which is the long side. Because it used to just drive me crazy. Going through my drawers, trying to put my clothes away. There's too many. And so I'm going to cull t-shirts today. And I'll do a separate thing for that. But that obviously is something that has popped up and needs to happen. So, darn, because I love that t-shirt. Great, so now I'm going to do my side of the bed. I'm going to set my timer and do a decluttering dozen, and hashtag decluttering dozen, and so I'll get this organized and dusted and pretty much done with the bedroom. So this will be nice. My side of the bed, so my nightstand and my bookshelf, because they've gotten a little out of hand. So I'm going to set my timer for 12 minutes and off we go. It took me 12 minutes to dust and organize, just kind of tidy my bookshelf and my nightstand, and vacuum the room. So as I kind of finished up mine, I dusted my husband's area, but I don't move any of his things because they're his things. But I do dust around them, and or I'll pick them up and dust and then put them back down. So that works well for us. And I had time left over to vacuum, so now I am done. It took me about 25 to 30 minutes to completely make the bed, fold the sheets, do all this stuff, and get the dust and things out of here. It is spring. My husband has allergies, so I really need to pay attention to making sure that I get things dusted much more often. And I suggest you do too. It'll be amazing how it helps your sinuses. So with that, have a great day and go tidy up your little sanctuary.